Tres, dos, uno. Hey guys, how are we doing? Welcome once again to Cooking with Carlos. Today we are going to do something really simple, really easy. As we've talked about, there's a lot of people showing you how to cook, how to do things here and there. Here, what we're going to show you is the tricks of the trade, how to do things easy, fast, and economical, especially nowadays in these times. So right now what we're going to show you is we're going to show you how to cut a pepper. You might think it's easy, but actually cutting a pepper is not as easy when you want to use all the pepper and you want to make the most time of it. So how do we do this? Is really simple. Grab a pepper, go buy it, and then we'll go from there. So how do we start? Obviously you first need a sharp knife. As usual, as you've seen in other videos, gotta sharpen this puppy up, make it ready, because a sharp knife is usually better than a dull knife, as everybody knows. So now that we're ready, we're gonna start with the yellow one so you can see it easily, and then we're gonna do it with the red one so you can see how it's done faster, okay? So here we go. We're gonna grab the pepper, lay it on its side, and then we're gonna cut the top, then the back. All right, ready to roll? Here we go. We're gonna cut the top, making sure that you cut a little bit into the green part, and then you have this little end on the back. Then we're gonna cut the back of the pepper, the end of the pepper, the same way that you cut the first part. Then we go around it, making sure that we can take as much of the vein as possible, and voila, extremely easy. And with this, obviously you don't have to be taking out the seeds, scarring the pepper, and then you go like that with a spoon trying to take the seeds out. It takes a lot of time. And obviously this also makes it safer to use the pepper once you're gonna work with it, because it's flat already, right? So this piece here, it's pretty much to go. It can go in the garbage. We don't have a use for it. And the rest of the piece can be then processed to whatever you want. From here, if you want to take out the vein, which is the nice part of doing it this way, now it's flat, it's laying flat completely against the board. You can remove the vein, being careful, and then you can julienne it. Right? From here, from julienning, you can do a nice dice or whatever you want to do with the pepper, right? So, extremely simple, very easy. Even from here, you can just roast them like this, olive oil, herbs, salt, pepper, and then put them on top of a burger. That would be really nice. Okay, so just for giggles, we're gonna do that really quick so you can see how fast the process is and how effective it can be for you to use it to prep anything that you're looking to use peppers with. This also helps and works with jalapeno peppers, any type of pepper, really, as long as it's fresh. Okay, so here we go again. We're gonna cut the top just a little bit off. Okay, then the bottom, really easy, and then we go around it with the skin. I'm gonna go like this so you guys can see how it's done. Okay, around and around, and voila, this is all you have. This is garbage, nobody's gonna eat it. So as you can see, doing this process is extremely easy. It helps you out a lot into even making space. You can lay the peppers flat on a baggie, put them away, gives you a lot of space, and it helps you all out. So we're here to help you out, to bring you technique and make your time a lot more fun in the kitchen. Don't forget to give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you soon around these necks of the wood, all right? Take care and be safe.